This is going to be a video tutorial on how to remove tab groups from the Bookmarks bar on the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. If you look up top here, my Bookmarks bar, you can see that I have one tab group showing. To remove tab groups from the Bookmarks bar, you want to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. And I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Appearance. Then on the center pane, the third thing down, Show Tab Groups in Bookmarks. As you can see, mine is enabled. I'm going to disable it. Now my tab groups are not showing. If I re-enable it, now my tab groups are showing. That is how to enable or disable the tab groups on the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.